welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Terms Sharing Session. Today topic is dependent demand. Of course, there are two ways. One is dependent and another one is independent, and these two items are treated separately in terms of forecasting or material planning. Demand that is directly related to or derived from bill of material structure for other item or end product is the dependent demand. Such demands are therefore calculated and need not and should not be forecasted. A given inventory item may have both dependent and independent demand at any given time. It's possible that some of this item can be used as a spare part as well as the original item. For example, a part may simultaneously be the component of an assembly and also sold as a service part. For example, you can take a tire used in an automobile vehicle. It is a part of a car, but on the other hand, it can also be sold as a service part. So when you're considering as a part of the entire assembly, it becomes a dependent demand, but when you're trying to sell it in a service market, it becomes a independent demand. So independent demand is always forecasted, whereas dependent demand we are going to calculate by using the bill of material. And this is where MRP, material requirement system, comes into play. Checks what are the quantity as per the bill of material, and it also checks available inventory and orders placed on the vendor, and it's going to order the net quantity of dependent demand items. It should never be forecasted as it's a part of a bigger item. Of course, if it's a spare parts, we can independently forecast this item. Thanks for watching. Bye.